Today, we're turning simple wood into amazing animal shapes using a powerful mini chainsaw. Watch.
First, we prepare our wood and sketch simple animal shapes. Precision matters, even with a small chainsaw.
Starting with a fish, smooth curves and careful cuts bring it to life.
This bird shape on the cake needs more detail. Notice how small movements create clean edges.
Now a cat. Sharper angles, more control. This is where skill really shows.
Let's speed things up. Multiple designs, one powerful tool.
The most satisfying part, clean finishing cuts. Perfect edges every time.
From simple logs to beautiful shapes, all done with a mini chainsaw.
If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more satisfying cutting videos.